Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. It's no longer news that the Igbos, especially those agitating for Biafra, have been on it for a long while. But right now, many events are overtaking themselves. To start with, Fulani Herdsmen have been doing a lot of mayhem, but right now they have moved in inches closer than expected in southeast. In fact, they have decided to start doing the ruthless kidnapping, and of course Ohanese youth have decided once and for all to speak over the issue of staying back or joining Biafra exit. Before we go to the news proper to find out all this put into one, like you subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let us start with what the headsmen have done, then what Ohanese youth have enjoined the Igbo youth to do as at now. Well, two lecturers at Abia State University, Utoro lecturers and others, were late on Thursday robbed and kidnapped by gunmen suspected to be headsmen along Absu Izukwato Road. According to the chairperson of Absu's Academic Staff Union of Universities, VU, Akamdirim rather, the incident took place about 6 p.m. yesterday. According to him, the lecturers involved are Reverend Prof. SOAZ of the Department of Industrial Chemistry and a Methodist minister, and Don Chris Afulike of the Department of Mass Communication, who was traveling in their different cars. According to Nkem Dirim, the two lecturers ran into Fulani herdsmen when they were robbing vehicles. After the robbery, the herdsmen took the two lecturers and some others away. As of now, they have not been seen. They are yet to be seen. However, the Camry belonging to Dr. Chris Afuleke has been seen with his phone inside the vehicle, the lecturer said. According to ASU boss, the families of the lecturers confirmed the incident and the university management has been involved in the matter. He also said ASU national body and necessary security agencies have been contacted. The police is yet to confirm the incident. And in another news, very quickly, the Ohanese, the youth, Igbo youth have decided to move on. The national president of Ohanese Youth Council, that's OYC, Ibayaka, has said that the only remedy for Nigeria's maladministration is voting someone of Igbo extraction as Nigeria's next president in 2023. The OYC leader also revealed that the southeast people of Nigeria will know by the end of 2022 whether to remain as part of the country or not. According to him, there will be indications by then to know if someone of Igbo extraction will emerge as the president. Ibayaka disclosed this in an exclusive interview with Daily Post on Thursday, adding that Nigerians will do themselves a favor if they elect the next president from Southeast region. Nigerian president of Igbo extraction is a favor to all Nigerians, not even to Ndibo. In fact, the deliverance of Nigeria from the shackles of bad leadership is the coming of Igbo person in 2023 to govern Nigeria. An Igbo person is the only true Nigerian. That's why they settle and have properties all over Nigeria. Let me tell you, Fulani political oligarchy made a terrible mistake they could have enjoyed why God miraculously made Ndibo to be part of Nigeria. If they failed to realize this favor in 2023, they wouldn't have it again. By the end of 2022, there will be a sign if Ndibo will be part of Nigeria again, or they will have their own separate country, Wayaka said. While talking about alleged marginalization that the Southeast is suffering under Muhammadu Buhari's government, the Igbo youth leader said marginalization of Igbo didn't start with the recent or present administration, but instead it started from 1970 when none of the 3 Rs of General Gowon was implemented in any part of Igbo land. Ndibo have faced marginalization since 51 years now, that's between 1970 to 2021. According to Bayaka, the Igbo youth leader also said youths will not go to war while fighting themselves. If the elders caused war, the youth will force the elders to go and fight the war. The youth must know that Igbo nation belongs to them, so we must seek their survival by every peaceful means. Any crisis or violent act affects the youth more than the elders, so I want to urge my people, no matter the provocation, we can never pick arms or any other weapon and go to war against any ethnic nationalities in Nigeria again. Quite a lot of persons are talking. This one here is saying we are watching 2022 wo no there. He said 2022 wo no there as a 2022 kill you. This is serious. Okay, but let's look at this very seriously. Let's start with what Fulani Herdsmen are doing. Now it is coming home. We've been hearing about the issue of kidnapping in the north. Now south is a normal thing. Southwest is now a daily occurrence. It's no longer abnormal. It's now normal and very disgusting to the ears, but it is so, unfortunately. You can imagine lecturers on their way home, their various activities, they were kidnapped. God knows where they are right now. This is really pathetic. And the issue of Igbos knowing their fate come 2022. There's something they said I actually want to emphasize on, saying that an Igbo man will teach them how to rule and is not corrupt. I'm surprised because if you look at antecedents, Southeast, when he say it's the Igbo man that will bring the car that will change. Even there's some Igbo leaders that are trying to bring into the picture that even the Northerners are selling to Nigerians. That okay, if there's any Igbo man that will rule, let's bring out this set of people. It's even the Indians that say this one, don't bring him, he's a thief. When he was the governor of so and so state at so and so time, he didn't do anything. The state is dirty, is disgusting. The youth are run out of the state simply because there was a lot of siphoning. Let's be truthful to ourselves. When it comes to criminality and corruption, it does not have an ethnical name, does not have a regional name. It's a general thing, regardless of which region you belong. Until we go beyond this issue of bigotry and ethnicity, we are probably going nowhere. I'm not saying that Igbo man cannot produce presidents, or far from it. They have the best hands you can think of, just like every other tribe. But I would rather say, rather than going on in political dimension, why not look for truly a leader, okay, whose antecedent, if he has any, is a good one, not the one that if they drag him into EFCC will follow him because he has stolen so much and is trying to dance around so that they don't even capture him. So he's jumping from one party to the other so that they will not put him in prison or put him behind bars. But it's rather unfortunate, or it's rather funny that Ibayaka or the youth OIC is waiting till 2022 to know whether they will stay or not or go. Well, as already Mazen Damdekano and Wazurike and the likes and Asari Dokubo them have started shouting that they want Biafra or nothing. So you now see that that's the challenge, and that probably is going to be what they're going to use against the Igbos when they start thinking or clamoring for the issue of presidency come 2023. They will say, look, you are the one still looking for Biafra exit, you are the one looking for Biafra, you are still the one asking for presidency. How is it possible? Choose one. And if you want us to make you president, by all means, make sure that there's nothing like Biafra exit anywhere again. And that's where the problem is going to start, because an average Igbo youth there wants his own country. Let's meet in that.